On a roll is an idiomatic expression used to describe a period of continued success, productivity, or good fortune. When someone is on a roll, things seem to be going their way repeatedly, almost effortlessly. The phrase suggests momentum, like a ball rolling downhill, gathering speed and energy as it moves forward. It captures not just one success, but a series of positive outcomes happening close together in time. The expression likely originates from games of chance, especially dice games or gambling, where a player might roll winning numbers repeatedly. In that context, being on a roll meant experiencing a streak of luck. Over time, the meaning expanded beyond gambling to include any situation where someone achieves consistent wins or accomplishments. Today, it applies to academics, sports, business, creativity, and even everyday tasks. In sports, the phrase is especially common. A basketball player who scores several points in a row, a baseball team that wins multiple games consecutively, or a tennis player dominating set after set, can all be described as on a roll. The emphasis is not only on winning, but on rhythm and confidence. Success seems to feed itself, creating a psychological advantage that strengthens performance further. In professional or academic settings, being on a roll might mean completing projects efficiently, solving problems quickly, or receiving praise repeatedly. For example, a writer who produces strong articles back to back, or a student who performs well on several exams in a row, may feel unstoppable. The phrase implies both productivity and enthusiasm, suggesting that the person has found a flow state where effort feels natural and progress feels steady. The idiom also highlights the importance of momentum in human behavior. When we experience small successes, they often boost confidence and motivation. That emotional lift encourages further effort, which can lead to more success. Being on a roll, therefore, reflects not just luck, but also mindset. Confidence reduces hesitation, sharpens focus, and increases willingness to take initiative. However, the phrase also carries an implicit awareness that streaks can end. Just as a rolling object eventually slows down, a period of continuous success may not last forever. Recognizing this helps maintain balance. Rather than becoming overconfident, it is wise to appreciate the momentum while continuing to work diligently. Sustainable success often depends on discipline, preparation, and resilience beyond the initial streak. In conclusion, being on a roll describes a dynamic period when success builds upon itself, creating energy, confidence, and forward movement. Whether in sports, work, study, or daily life, the phrase captures the powerful experience of momentum and repeated achievement, reminding us that while streaks may fluctuate, consistent effort and a positive mindset can help us create new roles whenever opportunities arise.